Got these little lights. We're going to mount them a couple different places and see how they work. So I've got power run to a switch here on the B pillar. And it's a grounded switch, so that little diode lights up to remind me that it's on. Power in, out to the load. Going down to the bulb, then I have a 2-wire. The ground is switched right here. That is the brown wire inside the van, inside the B pillar. So I've just tied into that. So I've got a switched ground and a switched positive. So this little light ought to come on whenever I have a door open. Turn on the light switch. And indeed we have lights. If I push on this little button here to close the door, the light goes off. I think it's going to work. So this is kind of made to go inside a door, not underneath a van. So we're going to seal that up real good with some silicone caulk and attach it underneath the step. What? All right, let's go find that damn thing. So we're caulking this up completely, watertight. Squeeze it in there as necessary. And ta-da! Switch on, switch off, door closed, door open. So here's what it's all about. Just open the door and the porch light comes on. Close the door. Please support Florida Van Man by hitting that subscribe button. Tell a friend about us. Share a link with a group that might be interested in seeing more videos from us. Buy me an oil change, make a $5 donation, or you can buy the buyer's guide for a $15 donation, or reach out to us via email, bill@floridavanman.com.